Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my latest haul from Fern Stickers. So let's take a peek. Alrighty, so I recently just picked up a couple of kits from Fern Creek Stickers. It's one of my favorite shops. Elizabeth just recently started a YouTube channel like this summer. And so I have added her on my homepage of my channel. So if you want to check her out, please make sure you do. So what I got was, so this is her little business card, and she has a discount code, thanks15 for 15% off your order. I've got a couple of freebies here. These are cute. I started using these in my social media every time like I kind of hit like a fun milestone. I've been using these. Sorry, I was out taking Otis for a walk and I think the allergies got into my throat. A couple of cute little scripts here. Happy Mail, Tidy Up, Wash Sheets, Wash Towels, and Wash Delicates. So those are sweet. And then this is cool. Date headers for days of the week. So that'll come in handy. I like this green too. That's a pretty mint. So those are the freebies. And then, so the first kit I'm going to share with you, this one's called Tranquil. It's kit 79. And I'll put these to the side here. I bought this one to go in my budget planner, which is it's a Erin Condren are the monthly pages, and then I have it franken-planned with the Budget by Paycheck workbook from the Budget Mom. So this is the monthly header and the dates. The days of the week are separate, which is kind of cool because what that means is you can do either a Sunday start or a Monday start to the weeks in your monthly spread. So that's kind of cool. And then she did, this is so cute. Look what she does. She says, oops, I messed up one of the holidays on the monthly kit. So she added it here. So it probably should have been printed here with one of those boxes. So anywho, that's kind of cool. So there's that. And then I did get some washi to go with it. I just thought this was so pretty. You know, I love blue, and it's mixed in with this kind of like rosy pink. So that's cute. I really like that. That's pretty. And then I got the sinking funds, and she does the sinking funds laid out the way I like to track it, which is your category, your start, any additions, subtractions, and then kind of what your ending balance is, and then your totals. And so I love it. I love this format. I thought this was really pretty. So I got that. And then she also does savings tracker. So that's awesome. I don't know if you saw my last haul from her. I had actually had her do some custom scripts that say savings tracker on them, because some of the shops don't do a savings tracker in the same way that they do a sinking funds tracking. So it's the same thing, like there's a date, a start, addition, subtractions, and then end. So I love that. So that's going to be for August in my budget planner. So put that to the side. And then the other kit that I got was called Flower Market, and I just love this. It's so sweet. Look at all those florals. I love how the colors, they're kind of soft. They're kind of a pastel, but they're not super pastel-y. Does that make sense? Like they're not super pale or super light. And again, so this is going to be for in my plum, my monthly spread. So again, the days of the week are separate, so you can put them in here and you can do a Sunday start or a Monday start. I was looking at this and I thought, my gosh, you know, this looks kind of short. Did I accidentally order the A5? But then I double checked and it did say plum 7x9. And so I measured it and it is a little short. So I did message her in Etsy, and she responded right away. Like I messaged her that night, and I woke up to have a response from her that morning. And it wasn't that I was complaining. I love her shop. She does great stickers. I just wanted her to know, you know what I mean? Like in case other plum paper users get it and it's short. And she did write back right away. She was so apologetic, and I was like, please don't apologize. No worries. I just wanted you to know. And she said that she did have a couple of sheets that had print and cut incorrectly, and she thought she had caught them all. So she's going to send another one to me that measures perfectly to plum. I measured this one. It was like 5/16 short of what the plum truly measures. So not a big deal, but just highlighting her excellent customer service. She's so responsive, and just, making it right. So totally awesome. And then I got sheet B, which is sort of like the sidebar. There's this wide washi here to fill in the boxes that are kind of blank from the previous month. And then a bunch of scripts, all the payday, no school, sick day, happy birthday, all that kind of stuff. So this is really cute. I love this. So that's going to be in my monthly. And then I also got, she has a highlights page with all of these darling washies. I just thought this was so pretty. I love the little circle checklist there, and then all the little dots here, and the dots in 2 different sizes. That's so cute. And then I love using these asterisks to mark birthdays. So, and then again, just more scripts. These are, oh, I love this listening to. That's perfect. She's got important dates, memories. That's cool because I like that. Habits, self-care, reading. Oh my gosh. Those are all the things that I put on my highlights page. This is so perfect. Okay, so then that's that. So that kind of takes care of the monthly. And then I did get like all the sheets for a weekly kit because I just thought it was so cute. So this is the essentials page where you can see there's the weekend banner, all the scripts, a full box to cover the calendar, the little calendar, the mini calendar that's over there. Lots of deco boxes, appointment labels, a couple of flags here, a couple of deco half boxes. I love this washi. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love her stickers. They're so pretty. All kinds of cute icons. Puppy paw, love it. Scripts. And I love she gives you lots of utensils if you wanted to put one for every day of the week. And then I ended up getting some more of the boxes, quarters and half boxes. And then I got the full boxes. I thought these were so pretty. I love this. Like, it's just gorgeous. And I love these where there's like some blank space here so you can fill in like a quote if you wanted to, or like if you had a special day, like I think like you could do a birthday or something, you could put the person's name in there. So I kind of like that it's not just fully decorative, that there's some space there to make it functional. And then I got the washi in different sizes. There's a couple of thinner ones, a couple of medium-sized ones here, and then the kind of like a thicker washi down here. So pretty. Look at this ombre effect. Isn't that neat? I like that. Okay, and then I got all the stuff, friends, because I just thought this was so cute. I got all the scripts. This is so cute. I love it. Budget check-in, run errands, planner time, water plans, all the fun stuff. Nail appointment, meal plan. So cute. And then I did get extra appointment labels. And then I got extra just open event labels. I like to use these in my monthly spread, and then I like to use these in my weekly spread. So I got one of each of them. And then because the deco was so cute, I got the clip art, kind of the decorative clip art. Like, look at how pretty this sort of watercolor paintbrush floral is. I just think it's so cute. I'm trying to hold it up closer so you can get a good look. Fun stuff, right? And then this, of course, is all of the date headers. There's some washi here, check boxes, the dates, couple little arrows. These are cute. This is so cute. I love it. Okay, so that's it. So that's the flower market kit. And I got both sheets to do a monthly and a weekly. And then I ordered a couple of extra scripts. I got days of the week. So I got it in this font here, C. And then I also got it in more of like a script, like a kind of a cursive or faux calligraphy type font. This is font B. And the reason I bought these is if you caught my social media video, I had used this kit from Erin Condren, and it didn't have the days of the week. So what I plan to do is just kind of plop these in. Take these, where's Sunday? There it is. I was like, I don't start on Monday. I start my month. So I was just gonna plop, these are gonna be perfect. So I'll just plop those in on this kit that doesn't have the days of the week. So that's why I bought those, and I liked both those fonts. So quick little haul, little video, friends. I just wanted to share with you. These are all up on her site right now. So yeah, that's it. That was just my quick little plum paper haul. And again, check out her videos because they're so awesome. She will explain to you all of her, she did a bunch of reformatting. So she walks you through that. She walks you through how she fills her mystery kit and kind of the types of sheets you can expect to get in it. And then she also does some plan with me videos. I think she uses an Erin Condren daily, I think is what she does. So Anywho, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.